Good morning, y'all. Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 show live location at my crib. So there's a power outage at Dominoes 7 Studios. All right, the power is out. Everything you see, even the even even the internet is out. Yep. Yes, indeed. The power is out. So I told y'all yesterday that we was gonna have a power outage and the gameplay gonna be delayed, you know. So and plus this Saturday I have a graduation party to go to. So my cousin Riley graduating and stuff like that. She probably had a graduation already, So she ain't had enough tickets, for me to go, So that's okay though. All right. So yeah, I'm just I'm just doing my thing while the power is out and stuff like that. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Look around, power is out and stuff like that. The ceiling fan out, the internet, the TV. I, I cut the television off earlier today, before before the power went out. So I said I might as well cut this television off. Luckily, my best friend had to work. So I'm kind of wondering if she aware that the power is out. You know, I'm talking about my best friend next door. You know, so yeah, just here without no lights or whatever. Keep the refrigerators closed. Hopefully my food don't go down. Okay. Hmm. So all right then. So I'll talk to y'all later. I'll be right back if the power's still out or coming back on or whatever. All right, be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. The power outage is still here and stuff like that. I would I would attempt a Facebook live and a YouTube live, but I don't think it's gonna work on my end. So it's all right so far. So I think I'm gonna attempt it when I go on a commercial break. Okay. Yep. I'm just here chilling and stuff like that. And all right. So the power outage at Dominoes 7 Studios and stuff like that. I mean that's a heartbreaker. So as soon as the power go out, I'm gonna upload the episodes from my Facebook Live and Instagram Live on YouTube. Okay, so normally I don't like power outages, and I don't have a generator for me to keep this place nice and cool and high mighty. Hmm. So so the way I think about it, Joe, if I had a generator and stuff like that, people constantly ask me to upload. I'm not upload. Constantly tell me, help me, or whatever. I don't know what the heck I'm trying to say. You know. Well, what I'm trying to say is that 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 what's going on. What I'm gonna say is that people want me to charge their phones and stuff like that. I don't know if my nerves will take that. I don't know actually. I don't know, but we'll have to see. You know. We'll definitely have to see about that. Hmm. Yep. So this gonna be the last segment until the power come back on. So I'm gonna try to attempt the YouTube live, Facebook live, and Instagram live. Okay. Well, never mind Instagram live. I'm just gonna attempt the 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 the, the YouTube live and the Facebook live. Okay. All right. So this the last segment of power outage at Domino 7 Studios, okay? All right. Until the power come back on, all right? All right, bye. Hello, everybody. The power's back on, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Look at the ceiling fan spinning, and look at the thing right here. Okay. So I'm totally glad it's back on, you ladies and gentlemen. All right. So now I'm gonna do my gameplay and everything. So told y'all I was gonna be back till the power come back on. So I'm back and the power's back on. All right. Bye bye, y'all.